everyone, this is Revati from Trinity International School. Today we'll be starting with 7th chapter, that is South America. In this chapter we'll be learning everything about South America and different type of river that lies in South America. So South America and North America are named after Italian navigator Amerigo Vespucci. The landmass that is situated to the south of Isthmus of Panama came to be known as South America. So South America and North America was named after Italian navigator. Navigator means जो ढूंढ के जाता है, navigation, like they search for different location. उन लोग ढूंढ के हर एक अलग अलग जगह पे जाते हैं. Those are called navigators. Italian navigator Amerigo Vespucci. The landmass that is situated to the south of Isthmus of Panama came to be known as South America. तो ये Panama is here. तो Panama के साउथ में कौन सा है? There is a South America. So Panama के साउथ का जो पोर्शन है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं साउथ अमेरिका. उसके वजह से since it lies in southern part, so it is named as South America. From the soaring mountain of Andes to the pampas of Argentina, from the indigenous population of descendants of European colonists, South America's diversity includes geography, culture and much more. So pampas is basically a large treeless grassland in South America. तो क्या है South America में we can find Indus mountain and there is a pampas of Argentina. Pampas is basically a treeless grassland in South America. तो in South America we can see different diversity. Diversity is मतलब changes. पहले क्या ancient लोग रहते थे तो there was different people who lived in South America. Then it kept on changing. और उनका culture भी there was a large diversity, मतलब large changes that can be seen in South America. Portuguese and Spanish are the most spoken languages in South America. Location and boundaries. South America is located mostly in southern hemisphere. This continent is connected to the North America by Isthmus of Panama. Almost the entire landmass of South America lies to the east of the same meridian that runs through Miami and Florida. The country by name of Ecuador is located in equator, hence its name. The Tropic of Cancer lies in the central of continent and cuts through Sao Paulo in Brazil and Atacama Desert. So in South America, when I talk about boundaries and location, South America, where does it lies? It lies in southern part. So it is not. So we can say it lies in southern part. So it is South America. I'm sorry. Since it lies in southern hemisphere, तो ये southern part है. We all know this is north. This is south. तो ये South America lies in southern hemisphere. और ये किससे कनेक्टेड है? इट इज़ कनेक्टेड बाय पनामा. वी ऑल नो देयर इज़ अ पनामा कैनल हियर जो कनेक्ट करता है साउथ और नॉर्थ अमेरिका को. एंड ऑलमोस्ट द लैंड मास ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका लाइज टू द ईस्ट ऑफ सेम मेरिडियन दैट रन्स टू मियामी एंड फ्लोरिडा. तो ये जो साउथ अमेरिका जो ये पार्ट है, मेजर पार्ट, इट लाइज इन ईस्ट. यहाँ पे फ्लोरिडा और मियामा को कट करके साउथ अमेरिका मोस्टली इट लाइज इन ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ सेम मेरिडियन. There is a country called Ecuador. Since it lies in equator, this is equator. तो यहाँ पे there is a country which is situated here and that country is known as Ecuador. और उसका नाम Ecuador कैसे हुआ? Since it lies on equator, this is equator line that divides the earth into two part. तो since it lies on equator इसलिए उसको हम लोग Ecuador बोलते हैं. That country का नाम क्या है? Ecuador. The Tropic of Cancer lies in the center of the continent and cuts through Sao Paulo in Brazil and Atacama Desert. So we see यहाँ पे there is Chile here. We also have Argentina here. तो जो Tropic of Capricorn किसको कट करता है? ये Tropic of Capricorn है. It cuts the continent through Sao Paulo. We have Sao Paulo situated here in Argentina and Atacama Desert. So exactly it passes through here. So it cuts the continent from Sao Paulo and Atacama Desert. Now we have list of countries and its capital that lies in South America. The continent of South America can be divided into three main regions: the Eastern Highlands, the Andes Mountains and the Central Lowlands. The Eastern Highlands are the oldest geological region of South America. They consist of igneous and metamorphic rock. We have igneous rock and metamorphic rock. Igneous is rock made up of lava. जो lava flow होता है और lava जब भी solid होता है, there is a igneous rock that has been formed. and rocks which are formed under the reaction of heat and pressure. When there is a too much of pressure or heat, वो क्या है, एक अलग टाइप का रॉक फॉर्म होता है ड्यू टू प्रेशर. अगर एक ही जगह पर प्रेशर डालते रहते हो पत्थर के ऊपर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू टेक अ स्टोन एंड व्हेन यू अप्लाई अ प्रेशर ऑन इट, द स्टोन कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग इट्स शेप. Now we have different types of different countries and different islands that lies in South America, different areas that lies within South America. It's all about that. The old rock that make up the highlands are rich in minerals such as iron ore and tin. So जो rocks जो form होता है इसमें, ओल्ड रॉक्स जो है, इट इज़ जो हाईलैंड्स में सिचुएटेड है ओल्ड रॉक्स, इट इज़ रिच इन वॉट मिनरल्स, आयरन ओर एंड टिन. The Andes Mountain, South America's primary mountain system. The Andes is the world's most longest mountain range. The range covers about 8,850 kilometers and stretches from southern tip to the northernmost tip of the coast of South America. The volcano Cotopaxi is also located in Andes and is one of the highest active volcano peaks in the world. The Andes, being part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, contains several other volcanic peaks. The Andes Mountains, we all know, it is one of the most world's longest mountain range, and it ranges from 8,850 kilometers. And it stretches from southernmost tip to the northernmost part of South America. And they also have an active volcano which is located in the Andes, and it is one of the highest volcanoes. The Andes, being part of the Pacific Ocean, as we know, it is surrounded by active volcanoes here. तो इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं Pacific Ring of Fire. It also contains Bolivian Plateau, which is most extensive area of high plateaus in the world after Tibetan Plateau of Asia. The highest navigable water body of the world is Lake Titicaca is also situated there. So there is the highest peak plateau that is located in Andes Mountain, and there is a water body that has been located there. Because of the Andes stretch from northern end of the continent to the southern tip, the range of climates within the mountains vary. जैसे वो it starts from north and ends in south, so there is a changes of climatic there is a climatic variation that happens. Andes also have rich mineral deposits of copper, silver and gold. Central lowlands lies in between eastern highlands and western mountain regions. The Orinoco Basin, which is drained by river Orinoco in the north, Amazon Basin is drained by Amazon River and its tributaries in the center, and La Plata Basin consists of Parana, Paraguay and Uruguay rivers. So we have central lowlands, which talks about eastern highlands and western mountain regions. So there is a basin which is drained by it's a river that drains by, it is drained by the basin, and it is located in the northern part. Amazon Basin is drained by Amazon River, मतलब Amazon River वहाँ से पास होके जाता है. And La Plata Basin, it consists of Paraná, Paraguay and Uruguay river. These coastal plains are located in central Chile, Colombia and Venezuela. Where is it located? It's located in coastal plains of central Chile, Colombia and Venezuela. Amazon River is a mighty river which is more than 6,000 kilometers long. We are all aware of Amazon River. It has enormous drainage basin in the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Its source of glacial stream located high in Peruvian Andes, about 240 kilometers from Pacific Ocean. तो Amazon River कितना kilometers long है? It is 6,000 kilometers long. और ये glacial, which is also a source of glacial stream, located high in Peruvian Andes, about 240 kilometers from Pacific Ocean. Glacial stream मतलब there is a water that flows from glacier से जो water flow होके आता है, it's also a source of that. During its journey, the river crosses international boundary between 7 countries, including Brazil, Ecuador, Bolivia, Paraguay, Guyana, Venezuela, and Colombia. However, most of the Amazon runs through the rainforest of the continent. So we all know Amazon कितना kilometers wide है. It is 6,000 kilometers long and it is a source of glacial stream. We all know glacial जो उबलता पानी है, तो वहाँ से क्या होता है, वो पानी फ्लो होके आता है. And where is it located? It is located in Peruvian Andes. It is 240 kilometers from Pacific Ocean. And Amazon River, it passes through 7 countries, that is Brazil, Ecuador, Bolivia, Peru, Guyana, Venezuela, and Colombia. And it runs through rainforest of the continent. Parana River spans 880 kilometers and runs through Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina. The river's source is located in southern Brazil, that is Paranaíba and Grand Rivers. तो ये river का source का है, कहाँ से पानी आता है? It comes from Brazil, that is southern Brazil, and it comes through Paranaíba and Grand Rivers. Orinoco River spans 2,140 kilometers and plays an important role in transportation system from Venezuelan and Colombian region. तो ये क्या, it is used, मतलब it is, since it is 2,140 kilometers long, it plays an important role for transportation system. Rio Negro River is one of the largest tributaries of Great Amazon, and it emerges from highlands of Colombia and passes through Colombia, Venezuela, and Brazil. तो ये क्या है, it contributes a large amount of water to Amazon River because it is one of the largest tributaries मतलब जहाँ से पानी आता है. तो Amazon River से पानी कहाँ आता है? It also comes from Rio Negro. Lakes Titicaca is a large deep lake in the Andes mountain. It is located on the borders of Bolivia and Peru. By the volume of water and surface area, it is the largest lake in South America. It is often called highest navigable lake in the world with 41 islands around it. तो ये कहाँ है? It's a Lake Titicaca is a large deep lake in Andes mountain. Where is it located? It is located just next to the borders of Bolivia and Peru, and it is one of the highest water bodies, highest lake in South America. And it is covered by 41 islands around it. Lake Maracaibo is located in northwest Venezuela. It is connected to the Gulf of Venezuela by narrow strait called Tablazo Strait. So what is strait? Basically this is a huge water body, दो water body है और यहाँ पे ये connect हो रहा है. So this is called strait, मतलब two water bodies connecting together. Where is Lake Maracaibo located? It's located in northwest Venezuela, and it is connected by Gulf of Venezuela by a narrow strait called Tablazo Strait. तो ये कहाँ से कनेक्ट होता है? गल्फ ऑफ वेनेजुएला से एक नैरो स्ट्रेट है जो इससे कनेक्ट होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? टेब्लाजो स्ट्रेट. ये जो स्ट्रेट है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं टेब्लाजो स्ट्रेट. Lake Chungara is situated in the extreme of North Chile. It is near the volcanoes Parinacota and Pomprep. The lake is surrounded by snowy mountain peaks on all the sides. तो ये लेक कहाँ है? This is the example of the lake. This is the Lake Chungara. They have active volcanoes. They have volcanoes near the lake, and the lake is surrounded by a snowy mountain. Lake Langkawi has an area of about 860 square kilometers. It is situated in South Chile, a territory of northern Patagonia in the Los Lagos region. So how much it is? 860 kilometers wide, and where it is located? It's located in southern Chile, a territory of northern Patagonia in Los Lagos region. Gulf and Straits of South America. A gulf is a very large bay that is an arm of an ocean or a sea. As I told you in previous chapter, what is gulf? Gulf is first comes sea, then there is gulf, that contributes a large amount of water into the sea. It is also considered as an arm of a sea or an ocean. The strait is a narrow passage of water body that connects two seas or two other large water bodies. So as I told you, this is straits. Now we have Gulf of Guayaquil. It is situated in west of equator in the Pacific Ocean. Then Gulf of Pinas. It is located in southern Chile in Pacific Ocean. Gulf of San Jorge. It is situated in east of Argentina and Atlantic Ocean. The picture is not given here, so I can't explain you in detail. Like, I can only tell you like where is it located. It is situated in the north of Valdez Peninsula, Argentina in Atlantic Ocean. Then there are different peninsula. It is Taitao Peninsula. It is surrounded by Gulf of Pinas and Pacific Ocean in that southern Chile. Valdez Peninsula, that is Argentina. It is in lowest part of South America, surrounded by Gulf of San Matías. There is in north Gulf of San Jose west, and Gulf of Neuro and the Atlantic Ocean. When I talk about strait, the Magellan Strait, it separates the southern end of South America and Tierra del Fuego, which is a group of islands near the southern tip of South America. So this strait is almost in the end of South America, and there is a group of islands near the southern tip of South America. Drake Passage, it is a strait that lies between South America and Antarctic Ocean. जैसे North America और South America को there is a Panama Canal, the same way there is a strait that lies between South America and Antarctica. This would be end of the chapter. If you have any doubt, you can comment and you can let me know. Thank you so much.